Gold and silver both have shown a stronger recovery yesterday from the precisely support levels, that is 1950. See, I asked you that you can sell at 1957, but then be cautious of 1950. Precisely, it has bounced back from 1950 levels. Likewise, silver too has shown a stronger recovery and in fact went till towards 2335 plus levels. I hope you all profited there. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. In this analysis, first we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now look on the hourly chart. See, first of all, it went past 1970, however, failed to, it did not even try to attempt till towards 1980 levels, and now again trying to retrace. And that is where, see, 1980 was the level beyond which certainly it needs to be considered for a stronger reversal. Now see, what has happened, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. You can say it is trying to trade in this retracement channel. But now once it breaks past 1965 or 1960 again, we can look forward to another round of drop. Why is it so? See, lower highs are seen. It failed to break past 1980. That is what we can clearly see here. However, this is still to be considered for a consolidation till the time it stays above 1960, 1950. So higher lows are seen and higher lower highs are seen. That is what we can see here for last 2 days. Now, if you see the stochastic has dropped, the MACD trying to converge crossover. See the sharpness here, see the slope here, and now it is again trying to converge crossover for a sell. Not yet crossed over, it is still bullish. Remember, it is still in green, sorry, not bullish. RSI has also dropped a bit, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, this is a similar story. See, rise retracement, and this is happening after this sharp drop. So we have to wait. Yes, a bullish confirmation is once it trades above 1980 levels. Till the time it stays below 1975 today, possibly there could be little more retracement on the downside. Yes, you can sell here at 1965, wait for 1960, and then below levels can also be expected there. Stochastic has dropped a bit, it was overbought. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI almost trading flat here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, see, it is showing a slight reversal sign. Lower highs are seen here, and now possibly the next candle will decide which direction it takes. There is a possibility that it can try to retrace. We have to wait for it to break passing. The confirmation for a reversal for a drop is below 1950 levels. However, let's see if it does so. Yes, for the day you can sell at 1965 and expect it to drop a bit. The stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, RSI flat. And if you look at 4-hour charts, similar is the story on the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, higher lows, consolidating a bit. Stochastic again back to overbought zone. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy, and the RSI trying to look downwards, shows slight bearishness. Now look at the daily charts. Daily charts also, I told you in my previous analysis, weekend analysis also, that it is still forming this flag, and hence any breakout above 2000 is certainly a bullish, clear-cut bullish indication where it is going to fly high further. Right now it is in the phase of consolidation. Any drop below now 1950 and 1940 levels should be considered as a stronger sign for a bearishness. Stochastic has dropped a bit, but look at the MACD. This is trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It is looking forward to a sell, and this is happening at a high. Possibly it can bring slight bearishness. I will wait for the crossover to happen. RSI also looking down, indicating slight bearishness. Considering this, you can sell at 1965. Wait for it to break past. See, 1960, 1955, 50 till 1950, put at $5 trailing stop loss. Below 1950, it is directly going to head for 1940 and below levels. So you can hold that trade. You can expect it to drop further. Till the time it stays above 1950, put a $5 trailing stop loss and trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Now for gold, remember one thing, that once it trades above 1975, just stay long. 1980, once it breaks, further bullishness is seen, and then we are looking forward to 1991 and 2000 levels. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, regarding the Signals and mentorship batch, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. See, silver on the hourly charts has shown a reversal sign here, and since then couple of stronger red candles below 22 2218 levels you can stay short, and then I will look forward to 2318 levels you can stay short for 2310 and 23, and only if it breaks below 2280 you can expect further bearishness. 2280 providing it a very strong support for last couple of days. Stochastic has fallen back to oversold zone. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell here. RSI is also dropped strongly. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the story on the 2-hour chart. See, after consolidating for a while, it has given a reversal signal here, and since then we have seen a breakout candle. This is the first breakout candle. Wait for the next candle. Possibly it can stretch the drop for a little while. 23.10, $23 levels can also be seen. However, what it has done, you need to look at, see, slightly lower lows were achieved before looking forward to a stronger reversal. So drop, retracement, drop, and higher highs. The previous stronger resistance zone was at 30, and then it is breached past, it has gone close to 2340 levels also, and since then we have seen a drop. Right now stochastic was overbought, and that is why this drop is there. It is looking down. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI also looking forward to a sell. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also, after giving lower highs in the last candle, it is again, this is the second red candle, certainly below 2320 levels. More bearishness may prevail, where we can expect, so you can sell here at 2318 and then expect 2310, 23. Remember, if it drops below 23 today, further bearishness may prevail, and it can try to achieve lows or slightly lows or lower levels which we had seen in the last couple of days, including 2280 levels. So see what it has done. This was the rise, then highs, retracement, highs. See, you can see close to double top we have seen, and hence 2340 is something you should wait for it to break out on the upside. Now see, the stochastic was overbought, looking down. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover. RSI is also looking down, trying to show slight bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour chart, the story is little different. See, it is consolidated here at 2330. This time it has gone close to 2340. And if you look at the lows there also, this is still trying to trade sideways in this, you can say increasingly, or you can say slightly bullish channel. So after long drop, this is the channel in which it is trying to drop, and then once any point of time, if you see it trading about 2350, 60, stay long, and then we are directly hitting at 2450 levels. Right now it is trying to retrace, and possibility exists that we may see little further lower levels today before 2280 definitely is going to be a stronger support. The stochastic on the 4-hour charts is also overbought and now looking down, but look at the MACD. This is trying to cross over. It has not yet crossed over, and I'll wait for it to diverge. If it does, certainly more bearishness may prevail. And look at the daily charts. On the daily, see the previous candle and this candle almost completely engulfed within the previous one. You can see the highs and lows almost very near to each other. Stochastic is overbought on the daily charts. The MACD is also bullish. Candle size is diminished. It is looking forward to converge. RSI is also trying to look downwards and show slight bearishness, and hence 2318 is a good level, but then you have to be watchful till 2280. You have to keep trading with the stop loss at cost price, where the target is 2310, 2290 and 2280. Every 10 cents you have to be cautious. You have to ensure that you are either booking profits or shifting your stop losses with the 10 cents. On the upside, you can buy here at 2340 levels, but then we have to again beyond 2340, certainly 2360 levels should come, and beyond 2360 it is going to fly past 24 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.